Okay, so I got really carried away. I have to cheers to this. We're talking about 100th episode of Mehndi Rachne Wali. Cheers. You are on Coffee Time with Griya with your cups of coffee. Where is your cup of coffee, Shivangi? Yeah, there it is. Cheers to this. Now is the time when I actually put forth this segment that I like to call Sip and Spill. Okay? I would give you these instances. If these things have happened in your life, you will take a sip and you will tell me the story behind it. Okay? Very simple. It's like never have I ever. No, not truth or dare. Never have I ever, but my version, you take your sip of coffee if this has happened in your life. Okay? All right. So let's go.
Be honest.
Okay, this one's for and this one.
Already बढ़ रहा है मेरा.
Let's keep the ground rule is both of us will be honest. एक honest एक नहीं चलेगा.
Okay. All right. Take a sip. If you guys remember the very first scene that you guys shot together, the dialogue of it, you have to perform it if you take a sip.
I don't remember. I really don't remember.
Yeah, come on, yeah. 100th episode मतलब पहला shot कैसे भूल सकते हो आप?
हम दोनों का shot.
We remember the shot, but
Yeah.
we don't remember the dialogue.
There was no dialogue, Baba. I came to your house and this chipku ladki comes out and you come to the door and you ask like who is it and
No, the first scene she's saying that we shot.
the shot.
Together.
वो कुमकुम फेंकने वाला in front of Charminar. Yeah.
No. This guy is mad. No, where I slapped you on the road.
अरे वो
Ketan really doesn't want that to be that scene because if you enact that, his fans are not going to
I
like it.
hit that old man and I
Oh yeah. Samshabad.
See, I'm
Yeah,
better
yeah.
than him. I at least
Yeah.
remember the scene. He doesn't
Okay.
remember.
Yeah.
Shivangi
So
takes a sip
I'm
then.
old man.
Take a sip, Shivangi. So tell me what is the scene?
So the scene was where he's hitting some old man because that old man is, of course, the story was that the old man is not good and blah blah. But Pallavi saw him hitting an old man and because of that old man, वो छोटे बच्चे को भी लग जाता है. तो पल्लवी को आता है गुस्सा. पल्लवी जाती है और देती है तमाचा. And she's like, तुम हो ही ऐसे, तुम यही करते तुम. And I remember, so I am not good with giving, slaps and stuff. So
She actually slapped me.
That's what I wanted to ask you. Did she slap?
In front of whole public. It was a normal public. पूरी gather हुई थी उसने मारा सच में मारा.
और सच में दिया. And he's like, yeah, it's cool. I'm like, sorry.
और अब क्या करूँ मैं? Take हो गया. Like ठीक है छोड़ दे अभी चलो. Next.
गुस्सा आया था.
नहीं. I felt awkward actually because there's so many people here. पूरी public है. There's no junior
and
artist.
we were actually literally legit shooting on a busy road.
Yeah.
People are like passing
Like
by,
almost
traffic,
100-200 लोग रहेंगे आराम से वहाँ.
Okay. All right. So this one is for Ketan. This one's for Ketan. Take a sip. If you want to literally translate from English when you have to say something difficult in Hindi. If you do a literal translation from English.
From English to Hindi or Hindi to English?
Yeah. English to Hindi. If you have to say something in Hindi and you're not able to get the right word for it or right sentence formation, you do a literal translation.
Yeah. I do like if there are like big time words and big vocabulary words in Hindi which I can't speak, so I tell English.
So like if you have to say that what is the word? I don't know. I mean, what is the weirdest thing that you've said in Hindi? The weird, funny thing.
Tasbu.
Tasbu.
So I'll tell you the story behind it.
Yeah.
He tells that you go and give my mom, like her mom, a tarboos. And I was like, yeah, tasbu. No, it's tarboos. Tasbu, okay, fine. I go and give her mom a tasbu. I tell auntie like, you know, auntie, आपका tasbu खा लो.
Okay. Okay. All right. This one's for Shivangi. Take a sip. If for the first time in the initial few days, if you did this, take a sip. If you started talking in tuta puta Hindi to explain something to Ketan.
Yeah. So there are times where you have to explain him the muhavras.
Yeah.
Like literal, he'll be like, "Nahi, this is rude." I said, "No, Hindi mein when you talk like this means this."
ये आज भी हुआ था शायद.
हाँ, आज भी हुआ happens. So there are times where I'm like, and sometimes I'm like, how do I explain? And I'm somebody, if I can't, if समझ में नहीं आया तो I'll feel uneasy. कैसे नहीं समझ? So I will try to break it, and I don't know. तेलुगु आता तो बोल देती, but I can't speak.
If I'm not mistaken, you acted in one Telugu film, right, Shivangi? You have.
Like I can't like speak
Yeah,
Telugu.
yeah. So you have a common connection there. I mean, at least one film you've done in the language. Okay. All right. Take a sip. This one's for both of you. Take a sip if you've ever gotten into a real life hatapai or a brawl.
With each other or someone
No.
else?
I mean, with each other भी बता सकते हो, if that is the case.
बच गया है.
नहीं,
इसका कोई ऐसा हुआ
ऐसा
नहीं
कभी
है.
हुआ नहीं है.
Not even outside, like you, not even with the boys or you with the girls कि किसी को बात अच्छी नहीं लगी, एक लाफा.
भाई को मारा है मैंने बचपन में बहुत, but no.
Not school, college, nothing. My such well-behaved kids you are, yeah.
You're asking about me?
Yeah.
हाँ, कॉलेज में बहुत
Like proper street gunda style fight you have done.
yeah, in college, during college times we used to have
किसको मारा था?
अरे
I want to know now.
दूसरे कॉलेज वाले को.
For what?
Oh, college gangs. Okay. Okay, all right, next one. Take a sip. If people sliding into your DMs, 90% of the people sliding into your DMs ask you whether you are single.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you read all your DMs?
I don't think you read.
No, I don't. But जितना मैं पढ़ती हूँ, for me that is 90%. And all those 90% will ask, "Ma'am, are you single? Ma'am, are you single?"
So, Ketan, I would be the only one in your case who did not ask you that. Rest, all the 99% of people ask you this, right?
My goodness, yes. Yes.
Every interview will be asked. And
What's our relationship status?
yeah.
Are you? पता नहीं.
Oh God, ouch. Achha, so I really don't know. If I put myself in that position, I would really not know what to say. I'd
Yeah.
probably judge the interview.
No, when I was asked, and this guy is asking me, why did you look here and there? When she asked you, are you single? I said, just it's weird.
No. Yeah.
That question.
Yeah, but it's. I think it's the fans come from a very, very nice place. They really want to know so much about your personal life that this is the first thing that they'd like to know if you are dating someone. So it's actually it's all the love.
I was single that people should give me certification like Sai Ketan Roy is single.
I रख लेना DP ऐसा. Instagram DP.
Okay, all right. Take a sip. If you have had a crazy fan encounter, like a crazy funny fan encounter.
No.
None.
We are right now in a bubble, and we because of the COVID time we didn't really get to.
But we did meet during in
A few,
Kolhapur time pe.
But it's different.
Okay, so we'll wait till things open up and then when you're more accessible. Okay, all right. Take a sip. If you have ever made a fool of yourself, whether it is in school or college, in your younger days, made a fool of yourself in trying to impress a girl or a guy.
I didn't. I never.
No,
Always smart.
Yeah.
I
So
don't
why
know.
are you taking it?
ले लिया चलो प्यास लग रही थी. I never.
Take a sip if you've
Never
ever
do-
tried to impress Shivangi.
Feel like so whatever I've done in my past, I'll be like कि वो तो मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. But तभी I didn't look like a fool, but now I feel like कि नहीं करना चाहिए.
That time you were
What?
nippy.
What does it?
I'll tell you afterwards.
अरे come on यार live पे बोल दिया अब तो बताना पड़ेगा.
And nippy and nippabi is it's like immature love story type.
Oh, now I got the reference.
Yeah.
The reference.
Okay, okay, all right. Take a sip. I don't know whether this is the generation, whether you guys will ever do it, but still, I'll go ahead and ask. Take a sip if you have ever written a love letter in your life. School mein, college mein, email. You guys are like 94, 95 born. I mean, you don't even know what love is.
I know, but
No,
I
but
never
I've
wrote.
received a few.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh.
but
You have.
of course you'll receive, Papa.
but
Why? What's of course? Of course, you can also receive.
why didn't you get any? There were people who will write good things about you and they will not want you to know, so they'll just slip it anywhere, you know, in your bag or anywhere else. So that has happened. I've never written it.
Okay, sweet, very sweet. All right, this is the last one. Take a sip. If you have ever sung in public.
I
Yes.
did
Do you
sing.
remember?
Where? I really
So you were
forgot.
giving one interview and that guy's like, please sing
yeah.
the title track.
I did.
And I'm like, no way that I'm singing. And this
was-
guy
yeah,
sang.
yes.
He did.
So it was our initial interviews
Yeah.
during our
Together.
shoot time. Yeah, it was also
हाँ.
together.
हाँ.
And
मतलब एक तो गाना गाया ऊपर से you sang in Hindi. Very good, yeah.
अपना टाइटल ट्रैक
अच्छे वाली
टाइटल
sang.
ट्रैक की मतलब 3-4 वर्ड से मुझे याद है. I went in the tune and like मुझे इतना ही पता है. छोड़ दो अभी.
So sing for me. What is the title track?
Oh my goodness. I forgot that also. एक कुछ भी.
And then
ये देखो सब लोग बोल रहे हैं sing. Come on.
I'm very bad singer, huh? Like मेहंदी है रचने वाली. मुझे उतना याद था. Like totally
but he's
paused
not
गया.
singing. That day he was
I was
he
trying to.
sang, I guess,
Yeah, I sang for
good
like 30
statement, हाँ.
20 seconds at
Full-
least I sang. I don't. It was
Come
long.
on, तो भाई ये मतलब मेरे साथ ये सौतेला व्यवहार क्यों हो रहा है?
भेदभाव
केतन,
अरे भेदभाव मतलब अभी वो बाउंसर हो
भेदभाव.
गया. हाँ, मतलब मैं चलेगा. हम लोग इतने
शिवांगी,
senior
you tell him the lyrics. You tell him the lyrics.
You actually you
I'll
remember
tell
the lyrics?
Yeah, you also remember.
I
Okay.
really I did. I don't.
Yeah, guys, 100th episode. Yeah, you have to. मतलब at least tune तो पता पकड़ो.
Do it right
हाँ.
now. We are not
I don't
singers.
tell. I can still give some scene now.
No, but anything related to acting is fine, but singing and stuff, oh, no. Bathroom.
Okay. Okay. So now, before I let you go, you have to be Pallavi and Raghav. And if just, I mean, sum up this interview in your characters. Okay, sum up this interview. Coffee time with Riha. How did you like it? Like you are Pallavi and Raghav.
तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप सब लोग हमें इतना सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. मैं और घमंडी राव.
क्या बात कर
देख
रहे
क्या
हो?
रहे हैं?
बोलो. बोल
तुम
सारे
बोलो.
कर.
तुम्हें बोलना है, तुम बोलो.
हाँ, बहुत लोग अच्छा हमारा लोग इंटरव्यू देख रहा है. अच्छा है, खुशी हो गई हमको. और हमारा शो भी देखना स्टार प्लस पे, मेहंदी रचने वाली. अर्धमहिंदा शाम के 6:30 को. मैं तो राघव राव तुम्हारे घर आएगा.